Majority of us wants to start making money online, and all we do is to overthink it for days before we can even think of getting started. Specifically, those of you that wants to start creating content, I say to you, do not overthink it. Think it through. It's okay, but don't overdo it for days and weeks and even months. Just start doing it. You see, if you want to become a creator, your first 100 video will be a trash. No matter how how your eyes view it, that this is beautiful, this is gonna go viral. No. If after your 100 videos, you actually look back from the inception down to the 100th video, you're gonna like, was that me? Because every single day you should develop yourself to get better at communication, lighting, camera, every single element you need to put together to create a very quality video, right? So by the time those particular elements are being put together in a very nice way and you're now having quality videos, you're not having quality content, you're not having the engagement you had ever reckoned, then you can now look back and start asking yourself this question. So why those days when I started, there are no views, no comments, no nothing? People were just looking at me as if I was doing nothing. So now you can now see the true reflection of you that you were not doing anything then. So maybe some couple of your videos are really cool, while some are not, right? That is not what it is, because sometimes the algorithm might decided to push your quack content and it will have millions of views and even make you thousands of dollars. You understand? So that is notwithstanding. What I'm talking about right now is that just start dropping that rubbish, that trash that you have in mind, that you are thinking to develop to an extent before you can start creating, before you can start getting yourself to be visible on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube. No, do not wait until that particular time comes. So try doing it now. Drop whatever comes to mind. As you are dropping it, watch back what you are doing. As you're watching back, audit what you're doing. So get feedback from friends and family. If nobody is leaving comments to tell you about how bad your audio is, how bad the quality of your video is all about, and every single thing about you, ask your friends. You understand? So ask GPT to analyze your video for you. So by doing that now, you're going to be having some kind of clear mind on where to actually invest more energy right in to create better content. So I had been a creator for over 6 to 7 years right now. I know what it feels to not to have you. You understand? It's going to actually weigh you down, specifically if somebody leaves negative comment on your video. And to me, negative comment had actually weighed me down and I felt like, what am I doing? Should I stop creating content? No, I said no to myself. I continued creating content and I fed from the negative energy that people were dropping on the comment section to tell me that my accent, my videos are not really clear enough, my camera, my audio and stuff like that. And I own that particular, part of the accent of a thing. I'm an African, right? I have to speak like an African person because this is where I am from. This is my origin. I don't have to speak like you to understand me. I have to speak like myself to be understood in the accent that God blessed me with. So don't care about what people say about you. In fact, I have watched some couple of videos from those Asian guys, like Indian guys. So their accent is not really very clear as what you might think of it, but they have quality content, they have values. So what I enjoyed is not their content, it's not actually their accent. What I'm going for is not their accent. What I'm going for is to fix something. Maybe sometime you might be trying to fix something on your PC, and the only people that will be teaching that particular aspect of what you want to do will be those guys from the Asian continent. So maybe they might be even speaking their language, their Hindi. You understand? So now your focus is not in the language, your focus in what you want to fix. So as soon as you're delivering value, forget how your accent look, but just make it get better so that whoever listens to what you're saying, even though if you're a Nigerian, they could always grasp the information you're trying to pass out. That is what it is. If you are on YouTube, you are actually on the global market and you are actually trying to sell something to people, right? So you must speak in a clear tone. Forget about the accent. I love my accent. I keep it. I love it. I admire it. I embrace it. I am going to use it over and over again. And nobody can take that away from me. So if you leave a comment on my video and complain about my accent, I'm going to tell you to use my accent. If you feel like using my accent is actually trash, I should use yours. So use my accent first to do something worthy before I can actually choose to switch to your own accent. You understand? So don't bother about the negative comments that people actually bring into your videos if they start making comments. So focus on how to actually work on what they said is bad, what is not really good, and keep on improving on it. And before you drop your, hundreds, 101, 102 video, to start picking. And some people are very lucky. They must have developed themselves in one way or the other. And right now, if I say right now, if they drop just like 20 to even 5 to 10 videos, they are already blown up. You understand? So if you are not like that, build from the ground up. Build from the scratch. Start from the root. You don't have to actually jump into the middle of the tree. So climb the tree from the ground up. That is what it is. So I believe this particular video will definitely help someone. If it does help you, please do subscribe and follow for more. See you in the next videos.